As the sky opened up, the rain didn't just fall, it touched something deep within me. Each drop, a soft memory, a forgotten whisper from the clouds. I didn't run or hide. I stood still, smiling, letting the rain write its poetry across my skin. For a moment, I wasn't just me. I was part of the storm, part of the sky, part of something beautifully free. The rain didn't just fall, it remembered me. Each drop a quiet story, and I stood there, smiling, letting it speak.